My wife's asked for a towel holder, and all she wants is a bit of dowel on a scrap of wood. Not a good idea for me. So I'm going to do something a bit better, and I've got 3 choices of wood. Camphor laurel, cypress, and merbau. You already know the choice because you've seen the thumbnail, but let's ask Siri. 1, 2, 3. Hey Siri, give me a random number between 1 and 3.
A random number between 1 and 3 is 3.
Okay. 26 high. 19 wide. This is the plan. 3 bits of wood, a central post. One problem. I need to cut a 120-degree angle, and I've only got these tools. The good news is that it'll work spectacularly, or I'll need to buy my wife a miter saw. This will be my jig. That'll go there. Piece of wood will go roughly there. There's a stop block. Lock it in place. And we'll cut a notch out here for the clamp. Easy. I might need to buy my wife a pin nailer as well. Ta-da! Damn, there goes my miter saw. I mean, my wife's miter saw. I assumed this board was parallel, but it's not. It's a offcut, and I didn't test it. As a result, these joints have a little step. So, I may need to remake them, but I also need to make some splines to go into here. And this jig can also do that. I've needed to upgrade the jig. I put some screws in here, and I've noticed that when I clamp it here, it pops up. So I'm going to screw that on there, and then it should be a lot better. Oh, that looks okay. I might need to buy my wife a sander as well. Let's try a brand new one this time. This was going to be the top, but because my belt sander kept on breaking belts, I've still got some sanding marks here, and this wood is quite hard. And rather than spend another half an hour cleaning that up, I just decided to make that the bottom. These marks here are actually cutting mistakes, but because it looks artistic, I decided to make this the top. Sorry about the rain noise. It's out of my control. This part turned out perfect. This will be a pressure fit, and I'm going to put a bit of shellac around there, and that'll be all the glue that it needs. This stuff dries so quick that in a couple minutes I can take this up to the kitchen and show my wife. I think she'll be happy. What do you think?
Nice. Lovely, thank you.
That was a fun beginner's project, but I made it a little bit more challenging. Next week is a Stanley number 3. Do a full restore. Turns out awesome. So I'll see you then, or perhaps check out one of these other videos down below.